Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I start my lecture and about this lecture about chemical engineering thermodynamics. So subject name was chemical engineering thermodynamics. What is chemical engineering thermodynamics? But I start at only what is thermodynamics. So thermodynamics is the study of the effect of work, heat, and energy on a system. Thermodynamics is only concerned with large scale observation. uh, this subject contains three major laws. Number one is zero law, thermodynamics, equilibrium, and temperature. First law work, heat and energy, and second law works on entropy. Okay, so I'll start. Subject was in chemical engineering thermodynamics, which used in chemical engineering. So I'll start. Chemical engineering thermodynamics definition. The branch of physics science deals with the relation between heat and other forms of energy with special application in chemical engineering. Simple term, it is a science of energy. Thermodynamics is equal to therm plus dynamics. Dynamics is Greek word and therm a Greek word, means therm a Greek word and dynamics uh, and also a Greek word. Okay, so thermodynamics is equal to therm plus dynamics. So heat uh, and energy, power and motion. Dynamics shows and power and motion, and therm is shows as heat and energy. So I think heat, energy, and motion power. Thermodynamics is not only the study of heat, energy in motion, but it also the study of dynamics, behavior of energy, and its uh, manifestation, action. I think you understand chemical engineering thermodynamics. Chemical engineering thermodynamics is simple, not that very much difficult. It is easy and just like thermodynamics. I have shown picture. Thermodynamics is the study of the effect of work, heat, and energy on a system. That's work chemical engineering thermodynamics, but term used in chemical engineering. Okay, thermodynamics. Before thermodynamics, chemical engineering thermodynamics. This definition is correct all over chemical engineering thermodynamics. So I start one major definition. Chemical engineering thermodynamics is primarily concerned with the application of thermodynamics to phase equilibrium and reaction equilibrium in single and multi-component system. So this chemical engineering thermodynamics contain primarily an application to phase equilibrium, contain primarily phase equilibrium and reaction equilibrium in single uh, and multi-component system, which means thermodynamics contain single phase and multi-phase chemical reactions. Okay, so I'll start my second point to thermodynamics plays a supervisory and often intangible role in engineering, like mother, and in your come at home and your mother's role. So thermodynamics, chemical engineering thermodynamics role as a mother in chemical engineering. So the subject is equally important in other fields of engineering, such as mechanical, electrical, metallurgy, and other etc. Thermodynamics basically works within the thermodynamic system, such as open, closed, and isolated system. Thermodynamics also contain three systems. Okay, which one is open system, and second is closed system, and third is isolated system. Mass and energy transfer in open system, no mass transfer, only energy transfer, closed system, and isolated system, no mass and energy transfer. Okay, so I think you understand all my talk to you, and grateful to me, and I hope I understand my lecture. Okay, so what is scope in chemical engineering thermodynamics? uh, Materials and energy balance around the chemical processes and unit operation and chemical reaction. Okay, material and energy balance include in chemical engineering thermodynamics around the chemical processes, operation and chemical reactions. Calculation of energy requirements of the process, energy utilization and efficiency. It's mean all of work in industry. I am a chemical engineer, so I'm complete all of work like calculate efficiency, calculate material balance. So I am using chemical engineering thermodynamics. So this is scope of chemical engineering thermodynamics, but I read only 2 points, so I'm read third point and fourth point also. So power requirement and heat loads in processes, equipments, condition of temperature and pressure, various physical properties required for the calculation, condition of equilibrium, pressure, temperature, composition in phase transformation and chemical reaction. So this is scope of chemical engineering thermodynamics. I read application about chemical engineering thermodynamics, so you can understand uh, chemical engineering. I hope you can understand chemical engineering thermodynamics. Daily life integral parts of our daily life examples. Okay, so I'll tell you applications of chemical engineering thermodynamics other than chemical engineering. I'll tell you other than chemical engineering thermodynamics application, so you can listen and understand this concept and this lecture. Refrigeration system for various application, air conditioner system for various application, heat engine, internal combustion engine, all types of vehicles, car, trucks, ships and aeroplanes, etc, etc, air and gas compressor, etc, power plant, power plant, thermal, nuclear, hydroelectric, and renewable energy application, infinite application. Okay, so chemical engineering is your home's refrigerator and generator, and works a lot of appliances in work like geyser and home appliance also. So one more application about chemical engineering in chemical engineering thermodynamics application used in chemical engineering. So I tell you, chemical engineering, design of chemical engineering equipment and processes, like absorption column, absorption equipment and process, distillation process, and other separation equipments, heat exchanger and cooling equipment, etc., reaction and phase transformation, etc., mixing process, pumping and other chemical processes and their calculations. I hope so. This is my lecture. Uh, you understand my language, and you understand my video about chemical engineering thermodynamics. So I can one last tell limitations of chemical engineering thermodynamics. Okay, so I tell you thermodynamics limitation. Chemical engineering thermodynamics limitation. Thermodynamics is a powerful approach to understand chemical reaction processes and systems, etc. Or although there are many applications of the subject, however, like other discipline, chemical engineering thermodynamics cover only a limited range of concepts, conditions, and interactions. also, or another subjects also contain chemical engineering like CPC, CPC2, and other subjects, mass transfer and heat transfer, and fluid mechanics. So this type of concepts are not contained in chemical engineering thermodynamics. Chemical engineering thermodynamics only just can say heat transformation and cooling transformation. So I can work on only heat transformation and cool transformation. Okay, so latent heat and so other type of heat I am working on chemical engineering thermodynamics. Okay, so one more limitations points, and I'll tell you. Thermodynamics point only the way state equilibrium condition. Thermodynamics always equilibrium condition, and I touch that I uh, uh, weak that equilibrium and touch that and create imbalance. Okay, so it does not tell how long takes to get their rate or time. uh, the equation for the reaction do not say anything about mechanism. Thermodynamics is a statically based in explain what is probable. They still limit probability of situation event that can violate microscopic predictions of the thermodynamics, even though those violations sometimes are very low, expected not to occur every time. Thermodynamics does not account for intelligence. Other can be explored depends on individual cognitive level. Yeah, I hope my lecture are understandable to you, and I'll teach you only in audio form. But I'm thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much. Keep learning and keep uh, learning, keep watching, and keep subscribing. So thank you so much.